Hello everyone, welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going to show you how to replace the ignition coil and spark plugs on this 1999 Volvo S40 Turbo. Now the tools you require is torque speed T30. You have to remove these 4 screws here, which will then let us remove this engine cover. Then you need a 10mm socket to remove this bolt and this bolt here. So let us remove them. Now there are a few ways you can do it. Some people like to do one by one so that they know which lead leads to which cylinder, but normally I would remember that this is the way it is. So this ignition coil runs this cylinder and this one, and the second one runs this one next to it. So let us start removing all the ignition coil. Now it is always best to use the manufacturer's recommended spark plug when you're changing spark plugs, especially with this turbo model engine. I always strongly recommend to use the one that is recommended by the manufacturer. So I've got the genuine Volvo spark plugs for this, which I will replace. You can always check to or refer to your owner's manual for the correct spark plugs for your car. Now next we need a spark plug socket to remove the spark plugs. Now I recommend doing this when the car is cold. It's easier so that the block is cold, so you know it's easier to work on as well, and plus when the block is cold it's very easy to remove the spark plug because the metal hasn't expanded. So these are the old spark plugs, which I will replace one by one. Now when tightening the spark plugs, there is obviously some manufacturer specification, but I have always done by hand feel, and so far I've never had problem. It doesn't have to be like extremely tight, you just do it. Yeah, that's enough. And we'll repeat the process for other 3 cylinders here. Now that all the spark plugs are back in, we'll put the coils back in. As I remember, 1 and 4. So 1 and 4, 2 and 3. That's it. Make sure they're clicked in. And I put them again. When tightening these ones, you don't want to tighten it too tight anyway, so rather than holding it from here, that's enough. And repeat the process for this one as well. Finally, we have connected these 2 plugs and we're done. Thank you for checking out this video. I'll catch you next time. Bye now.